Bidu, 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 bidu.
He's the chubby one. I took him to the vet, a few days ago to have his vaccination stuff. He cried a little bit, and then I weighed him. He's 10 kilos, so it's very much for him because he's very short and small dog, right? Not very short, of course, but he's 10 kilos. My gosh. So I'm trying to do some kind of diet for him. So he's on a diet right now. And exercising too. Right, Duke? Duke is fine, okay. Good weight, and Lucky's also good weight. Right, Lucky? Lucky. Say hi. Hello, Lucky. Hi. Baby. So yeah. Chasing birds. He's always so playful, and people say he's aggressive. He's not aggressive, he's just like playful. He likes to play with everything. Birds, cars, motorcycles. You do. So, they love each other. Okay. Oopsie. Yeah. Everything nowadays is about, vigilance. For example, right now I'm here like walking, but sometimes some dogs go on loose, so you must be careful and watch every step of the way. Now I'm looking. Let's see, no dogs here. So let's continue. I think he's going to the river, into the river.
Are you going to the river to take a bath? No? Okay.
Sometimes he goes down there. Let's go.
Lucky.
Wanna pee on the tree?
Pee on the tree.
As always. No. Ah, Jesus Christ.
Exercise, Bidu. You need it.
Oopsie. We're going to head back. So yeah, that's it. No duckies today. I want to see the duckies. Let's go try to see the duckies.
The duckies are so cute.
Let's see. No duckies here. No duckies here. No. Let's go.
Wanna go by yourself? Yeah.
He loves going by himself, like.
He loves going by himself because he's well behaved, right?
Go, Lucky. Let's go. He doesn't even run. He's so well behaved. He walks with us, right?
And Lucky.
I think they're shy today because they don't want to poop.
You don't wanna go potty.
That's weird. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. And make sure to subscribe to watch more videos. Love you guys. Bye.